Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can download CarX Drift Racing on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to download and play CarX Drift Racing on your computer easily. First off, you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to search for Google Play Games here, you're going to click onto this first link from play.google.com, and then you're going to go ahead and click on download on PC here. You're going to download and install this software up, and once you're done with the downloading and installing, open up your start menu and right here Google Play Games. It will ask you to log in with your Google account, so just go ahead and log in with your account. After that, you're going to click on to Explore here. Come here and search for CarX Drift Racing. You have CarX Drift Racing 2, CarX Drift Racing 3. You're going to go ahead and download the CarX Drift Racing 3 here. Click install and then it will start downloading on our computer. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was to play CarX Drift Racing on our computer. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.